In this state-of-the-art facility, millions of yards of denim are transformed into premium jeans every year. The journey begins with the arrival of high-grade raw denim, sourced for durability and comfort. Heavy machinery carefully offloads the fabric, ensuring the material remains pristine. Essential components like high-tensile zippers and brass rivets arrive separately in secure crates. The fabric is cataloged and stored in climate-controlled zones to prevent moisture damage.
Before production, samples undergo rigorous testing for shrinkage and color fastness.
The fabric is unrolled and relaxed for 24 hours to prevent shrinking later in the process. Once approved and relaxed, the denim moves to the cutting floor, where the real transformation begins.
Before a single cut is made, digital patterns are optimized to minimize fabric waste.
Automated spreaders layer the denim fabric perfectly flat, stacking up to 100 sheets high. Computer-guided cutters slice through the dense layers with millimeter accuracy. The stack is separated into precise components: front panels, back panels, and pockets. Every layer is numbered and bundled to ensure color consistency when sewing begins. Waistbands are fused with interlining to provide structure and support. With cutting complete, thousands of individual pieces move to the heart of the factory, the assembly line. The assembly floor is a symphony of synchronization, where skilled hands and advanced robotics unite. Assembly begins with the smallest components, like the iconic coin pocket. The back yoke is attached, giving the jeans their curved fit and structural strength. Advanced robotics attach pockets with perfect symmetry, faster than the human eye can follow.
The front fly is assembled with heavy-duty brass zippers for long-lasting reliability. Specialized chain stitch machines close the inseam, joining the front and back panels securely.
The waistband is attached in a continuous loop, ensuring a comfortable fit around the hips.
Piles of belt loop strips are produced and cut to size automatically. The legs are hemmed using a chain stitch, allowing the fabric to stretch slightly without breaking the thread.
A keyhole machine cuts and binds the buttonhole in a single, robust action.
Before washing, every loose thread is manually trimmed to ensure a clean finish.
The construction is complete, but the jeans are stiff and dark. They now move to wet processing.
In the laundry, science and art combine to create the vintage looks and soft textures we love.
These massive belly washers can process hundreds of pairs of jeans in a single cycle.
Volcanic pumice stones are added to abrade the fabric, creating the classic stonewash look.
Precise chemical recipes and temperature controls ensure every batch has the exact same shade.
Post-wash, the denim is softer and has transformed from dark, raw indigo to a classic blue.
Huge tumble dryers use hot air to shrink the jeans to their final size and soften the fibers.
Instead of manual sanding, eco-friendly lasers burn vintage patterns onto the surface in seconds.
Ozone gas technology lightens the denim without using water or harsh chemicals.
A final pass through the drying tunnel sets the shape and prepares the fabric for finishing. copper rivets are added to stress points, a tradition dating back to the very first pair of jeans. Brand tags and care labels are attached, marking the product as ready for the retail floor.
Quality control is rigorous. Every seam is stress tested to guarantee durability.
Finally, each pair is carefully folded and sealed in protective packaging.
Boxed and labeled, the jeans are now ready for the final leg of their journey.
From the finishing floor, the cartons travel to the massive distribution center.
Automated sorting systems route each carton to its specific destination lane. Pallets are shrink-wrapped to ensure stability and protection during long-haul transport. Inventory is managed digitally, with every pallet tracked in real time. As orders come in, the jeans are retrieved and prepared for global shipment. Millions of pairs leave this facility annually, destined for stores around the world. From raw cotton to finished fashion, the journey is a testament to modern industrial precision.
Quality, style, and durability delivered to customers everywhere.